So in a previous session, we tried and understood how we can save our notebook onto Google Drive and GitHub. Now let's understand how we can share it with our colleagues. Okay, so there's an option on the right hand side upper corner which we can use to share your notebooks to with different people whom you want to work with. So this is, yeah. So here's the share option. So let's try to understand what all options are available to share a notebook that you have created with your code developers. Yeah. Or you want to publish the notebook to general audience, you may share it with your GitHub repository. So you could just keep it aside as of now. There is one more way to share your workbook, that is by clicking on the share. That is what we are going to show you. You may enter the email IDs here. So you as soon as you click on share, you'll be given an option. This pop-up opens up where you can add your email ID. So if I want to add my other email ID, like at gmail.com, yeah. So whoever it may be, if I want to share, it can be shared with. Now there are various options to share. Yeah. You can give a restricted access. So suppose I want to add an email ID. Yes. It will ask me which right I want to give it to that person. Whether you can edit it, whether you can comment it, or you can view it. Just view the Colab. So if I give the view rights, the person whom I am sharing this file with will only be able to view this Colab file. You will not be able to make any kind of changes. Comment, as we have seen, we can add comments. So the person could only add comments to it. Yeah. And lastly, edit. So you can do anything on this particular file. Or from the share window, I can copy this link and I can share the link with anyone. So anyone who has this link can open the file and use it. Yeah. Subsequently, if I click on this checkbox, you'll get a message which you can write, and the person whom you are sharing the file with would be notified through an email. So the person will get an email stating that this notebook has been shared with them. Yes. Yeah. So again, if I have to share this link, then probably you'll get editors can change permission, viewers and commenters can see it. So this is just an instruction. Yeah, I'll say cancel as of now. You can also see what kind of access I can give. So I can give restricted access as of now, which I'm. So if I put it anyone with the link, so whoever has this links. So if I give this collab and put it in some Facebook or YouTube or any of the social media sites, so whoever gets this link will be able to access this notebook. Yeah. So I can just copy this link and give it to everyone. Yes. So I can add it to a person, add it to a group, or add it to as a calendar event. Yeah. So this is how you share your notebook.